Hey Kane, how's it going?
Good. How are you doing today?
Good, thanks. We are on this call today so that I can kind of walk you through how to create your Facebook Business Manager and your Facebook ad account, get your payment method onto Facebook. And those are really the three things that you need in order to get started using AdPuzl. Do you have a Facebook business page as well?
Not set up yet. No.
Okay, so that's something that you'll need to set up and I can walk you through that as well. Cool.
Awesome.
So do you want to tell me a little bit about your business?
Yeah. So I started my own window cleaning business with Student Works up here in Ottawa.
Okay.
And I know I'm just trying to get more onto the social media kind of B2C leads. And I definitely think Facebook is the way to go for that one.
Yeah. Have you ever run Facebook ads before?
I have not.
No? Okay. And do you find they might be like a bit intimidating to kind of get started with it?
It's definitely a little intimidating because I know like when I tried, they give you a bunch of different price options and different things to look at. And it's definitely a lot.
Yeah. Okay. And how did you hear about AdPuzl?
I actually saw it through LinkedIn.
Okay, cool. So first step would be to go to a different website, and it's actually business.facebook.com/overview in the top bar there. So this is where you'll be able to create a Facebook Business Manager. This is the first step in getting your ad account going. Okay, so if you want to click Create Account in the top right. Okay, so your business name should match the public name of your business since it'll be visible across Facebook. Okay, and there you can put your business email address.
There we go.
All right, your business is created. So if you go done, and then you'll want to just go to your email and confirm the link in there. What we just created is your business manager. So it's not like your page. It's not your Facebook page.
Oh, it's not the page? All right, that's cool.
Yeah, click on social there, confirm your business email. There you go, your email's been verified. So this is your Facebook Business Manager. Okay.
All right.
So what you'll want to do is you'll want to add, so you're already there under people. So if you in the future have any other admins on your account, you can add them here. For you, you'll want to create a page and an ad account. So if you click ad accounts on the left side there, under accounts, and then click add. So now what we're doing is we're actually creating the ad account itself. So the Facebook Business Manager kind of houses all of your accounts and assets, right?
That's cool.
And the ad account is one of the assets underneath it, right? Yeah, click add. And then you're gonna create a new ad account. There you go. So the ad account name, you'll wanna associate it to your business in some capacity, right? So just in case, when you have future businesses, you might wanna have, 3 or 4 different ad accounts.
Right.
Right. And then under the currency, you'll change it to the local currency, right? So that way you're charged in Canadian dollars. Awesome. All right, and then you'll want to select my business because it's your business. Since I run a marketing agency, I would add it for another business, right? So that's
right.
Kind of the situation there.
And
so there you go. You got your ad account is created. So now you essentially want to give yourself permission. So if you want to click the little bubble next to your name there.
Cool.
There you go. And then if you click the bottom button, that one that says manage ad account, there you go.
Oh, perfect.
So assign. So now you have full privileges on it. Okay. Next, you'll go add payment info.
Hold on, I gotta get my card out here.
Yeah. So keep in mind, this is the funds that are going to be put towards the actual ads themselves. So this is not for paying for the AdPuzl tool. This is going to be strictly for paying for your Facebook and your Instagram ads. Okay.
All right. And can you pay for ads like instead of having them on like a residual? Can you pay for them like one at a time?
So you can like do you can set limits. So there's a variety of different parameters. So you can do like prepay, for example. You can have it set up so that there's certain limits. So you can set like daily and account limits as well, so that it doesn't ever go over the limit that we've set. So we will blur this out. So
yeah, it's all good.
Once it saves, it's just making sure that all is good. And then you'll need to put in your province and confirm your postal code. Great, so you have your Facebook ad account all set up. So this is great. You got the Facebook Business Manager, you have the ad account, and then you have the payment method. So those are the first 3 things you need. The last thing you need is an actual page. So if on the left side, and then you can go add, and again, you'll select create a new page. We got local business or place, company, organization or institution, brand or product, artist, band or public figure, entertainment, cause or community. So which one do you think you would fall under?
Definitely a local business or place, I would say.
I agree. So this is in this field, this will be public facing. So
okay,
how it's written here is how it's going to show on Facebook on your page. So one little tip that I might want to kind of pass your way. Is, see where you have the word and. You might want to change that to the and symbol, because with the Facebook page itself, there's a kind of a limited amount of space that will actually show on the newsfeed itself, especially on mobile. So that might be a way to reduce the number of characters on there.
Well, I appreciate you saying that, because I didn't even know where that was on my computer.
There you go.
Perfect.
Okay, cool. So let's go to choose category. We can go through these ones together and we can identify which one it is. So there's home improvement here.
I think home improvement definitely fits pretty well.
Yeah, let's see what else there is down below. So it's up to you. I think home improvement is probably a better fit.
Yeah, I think so too.
And in terms of your address, we'll also mask this out as well. All right, we'll create your page. Excellent. Sweet. So your page is there. So what I would advise is in the top right, you see where it says view page?
Yeah,
let's actually go to that, right? So you don't have to edit all of the page right now, but what you'll want to do is you'll want to come in here, you'll want to add a profile picture, you'll want to add like your services and basically fill out all the fields that are available to you. So we won't do that now. If you want to do that after the call, we can do that. But if you actually go to settings in the top right there, this you'll definitely want to do. So if we go to, see where it says page visibility on the second line there?
Yep.
Edit, and let's just go unpublished for now, right? And go save changes. This way that, yeah, then you can go, this page isn't finished yet. And there you go. So this is important because this way you can kind of, it's not public, you can edit it in the background, and we can set it up with your AdPuzl account, right? And have everything set up so that when you do want to go live, you can come in here and go page publish. So just remember, when you come back here, you'll go settings, page visibility, and publish the page again. So okay, you're pretty much set up. You're set up to go with your Facebook Business Manager, your Facebook ad account, your credit card is on there, and your page is set up. So you'll certainly want to come in and edit the page and fill all the fields in. But if you want to just open a new tab now and go to app.adpuzl.com, this will take us right to the app.